if we have an article or an audio podcast or a video on YouTube or video anywhere in Vimeo, for example, and we would like to know what's inside, but we have no time to read, to listen, to watch, but we still want to know what's inside. And what do we do now? We leave it in tabs and we have thousands of hundreds of thousands of tabs still opened in our browser, or we put them in bookmarks and eventually almost never read them. And what can we do here? If we had a Chrome extension, we could ask if this article or podcast or video is already already exists in simplified form in knowledge base. So we can ask, and we see that no such resource yet. Okay, but if we go to another article, for example, we face Alternatives to Product Managers article made by Marty Kagan, and we also would like to read it, but we have no time. We can ask our extension if this article already exists in short form in knowledge base, and we hear yes, there is a resource, and we can open the link and see an article by Marty on the right, and on the left there is a short and version of this article in a simple form, what's inside. So I don't need to read all this huge article to understand what Marty wanted to tell, and I can read just these 5 lines, and if I'm interested, I can dig into details, but still it will be much less compared to original article, and I will have links that I can open, and they will be opened here in context. So I just will dig deeper in what an author of the article or video or podcast actually meant, and I can see some references he or she referred to. And if I go somewhere and face another article, I also, it's also would be nice to read, but I have no time. I also click here, it's already exists. So I can open it, and now I can read what's short about this article. The last thing I would like to tell is about this no resource yet. In this case, we could ask the backend system to record our request to translate, to simplify this article because we need it. And if on backend we can collect hundreds and thousands of such requests, we can make a list of articles and videos and podcasts to translate, to simplify, and then to provide to all those people who requested them, to notify about that, this article actually already translated, so you can read it. And all the articles we already asked to simplify, we can save them in our knowledge base, our personal knowledge base, and then we can go directly without asking for a resource of original article, but we can read them here and refer to all these links to share them with our teams, with our communities, and so on. So what do you think about it?